Hey, it's Coach Rick, back for another little bit of information. What we're talking about today is your showings, and once you have the property marketed, all the pictures and everything, now we're ready to show the property. Strong suggestion. Put some type of lockbox. If your realtor has one, wonderful. Go to Walmart or someplace, buy one. But it's very important that with your permission, and you have to give them the combination, it's very important they have easy access to the property. Showings. If you're going to show it yourself, obviously you're going to be there. If a realtor or somebody else is going to show it, please stay away. Let them do their job. They will request different times of the day, but that again is the purpose of having a lockbox on it so that showings are made easy. Now, open houses. The listing you listed on, say, the Monday, the first weekend, yes, you should be doing an open house. Put signs out at the various corners, put flyers out, put a notification on the MLS system, and hopefully, most likely, you're going to get flooded with a whole bunch of people on that open house. Make sure that you've got lots of flyers so that you can give them out as people come in. They will wander around the house pretty much by themselves. Don't follow them like a little puppy dog. That's not really good, but be there to answer their questions. Anyway, those are the tips today, and thanks so much. Any questions or comments, please feel free to ask. Talk soon.